Hey everyone, Becky here. I'm going to be giving you a crash course on SenePlex's SenePlex Complex. Now, whether you are a customer or a distributor, having a firm understanding of SenePlex Complex is going to help you further understand why our cosmetics and our skincares really work in the way that they do and why they are truly wonderful for your skin. So here we go. So before we dive into SenePlex Complex, let's talk about our skin. We all know that the skin is the largest organ in your body, and every 28 days, give or take, we get an entire new set of skin. Our skin cells reproduce. Now, the idea behind SenePlex Complex is, what if we could speed up how fast these skin cells reproduce? Well, SenePlex Complex does just that. It is a kinetic enzyme full of proprietary ingredients that is going to actually accelerate the growth of your skin cells. And it does that in all of our skincare products and all of our creamy cosmetics. So let's think of it, let's do a visual. If this is your skin and different layers of your skin, we have some beautiful, healthy, plump skin cells on the bottom. These are the grapes. As your skin deteriorates, it dries out and becomes these raisins and eventually is these cornflakes. Now, some of you may have seen this before when talking about exfoliation. However, I love to use this talking about SenePlex Complex, because essentially what SenePlex Complex does is give you more grapes faster. So this portion of your layers of skin is going to get bigger and bigger. And I love, love, love that idea. Who doesn't want a face full of grapes? So let's talk numbers. These numbers are really important to know because SenePlex Complex was tested in an independent clinical lab. And I'm gonna actually look at the numbers so that I don't mess them up. So the fact that it was tested in an independent clinical lab means that these results are out there for anyone to see. So they are documented, and it was concluded that the SenePlex Complex improved skin on 100% of the women who took part in the clinical test, regardless of their skin type. That means dry skin, oily skin, acne-prone skin, sensitive skin, all of that. And then here are the actual results. It increased the cellular renewal rate of the skin on an average of 23.3%. That is the number that you need to know in your head, other than like any other number. Increased cellular renewal by 23.3%. That is these grapes down here. Increased moisturization and hydration on an average of 54.2%. Increased skin firmness and elasticity on an average of 51.9%. And decreased skin sagging by an average of 25%. Increased luminosity on an average of 48.7%, reduced fine lines and wrinkles by an average of 55.7%, and increased skin softness by an average of 45%. Every single tested woman studied by this independent lab experienced measurable benefits on her face, from her face's skin. That was the subject of the study. So it was an overall 55.7% decrease in fine lines and wrinkles. Is absolutely exceptional. If your skin cells are reproducing faster, of course fine lines and wrinkles are going to decrease. Think about it. As your skin ages, you develop those fine lines and wrinkles. If you are increasing the cellular renewal of your skin, you're basically aging backwards, which is the whole idea of the anti-aging skincare and cosmetics that we have. So the bottom line of what makes SeneGence different, it is this SenePlex Complex. That is what makes all of our products anti-aging, and it is what truly sets us apart. These results, these numbers don't lie. Everyone who participated in this study saw results regardless of skin type. So these products with the SenePlex Complex, it is delivering this kinetic enzyme to your skin and deep down into your skin cells, and it is going to increase your cellular renewal, and you are going to see results with continued use.